Saint Jalaluddin Rumi's quotes. Rumi's quotes connect with people from different cultures and times, sharing wisdom that goes beyond words. His thoughts on finding inner peace capture the true essence of our soul's journey. Here are some of the most famous Rumi quotes on life that inspire and uplift, encouraging you to explore your heart and mind. Do not feel lonely, the entire universe is inside you. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere, they are in each other all along. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground. There are 1,000 ways to go home again. This place is a dream, only a sleeper considers it real. Then death comes like dawn, and you wake up laughing at what you thought was your grief. Would you become a pilgrim on the road of love? The first condition is that you make yourself humble as dust and ashes. You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. If the fruit of the trees were not tied to the earth, they would be pursuing me, for I have blossomed so much. I am the envy of the gardens. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. Don't be satisfied with stories how things have gone with others. Unfold your myth. When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you, a joy. Don't grieve, anything you lose comes round in another form. What you seek is seeking you. Those who don't feel this love out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing, there is a field. I'll meet you there. When the soul lies down in that grass, the world is too full to talk about. You have to keep breaking your heart until it opens. Why do you stay in prison when the door is so wide open? The prophets accept all agony and trust it, for the water has never feared the fire. Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. There is a candle in your heart ready to be kindled. There is a void in your soul ready to be filled. You feel it, don't you? Words are a pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another, not words. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes, because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. I know you are tired, but come, this is the way. The wound is the place where the light enters you. And so it is that both the devil and the angelic spirits present us with objects of desire to awaken our power of choice. Wherever you are and whatever you do, be in love. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. When the world pushes you to your knees, you are in the perfect position to pray. Live life as if everything is rigged in your favor. I am not this hair, I am not this skin, I am the soul that lives within. Be full of sorrow that you may become a hill of joy. Weep that you may break into laughter. Sell your cleverness and buy bewilderment. Cleverness is mere opinion. Bewilderness brings intuitive knowledge. Be empty of worrying. Think of who created thought. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. Don't you know yet? It is your light that lights the world. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Seek the wisdom that will untie your knot. Seek the path that demands your whole being. Dance until you shatter yourself. It's your road and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Why do you stay in prison when the door is so wide open? As you start to walk on the way appears. What hurts you blesses you. Darkness is your candle. The only lasting beauty is the beauty of the heart. The universe is not outside of you. You look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. Close your eyes, fall in love, stay there. Achieve some perfection yourself so that you may not fall into sorrow by seeing the perfection in others. What is planted in each person's soul will sprout. In each movement, the fire rages, it will burn away 100 wheels and carry you 1,000 steps toward your goal. If the light is in your heart, you will find your way home. There is a field somewhere beyond all doubt and wrongdoing. I'll meet you there. Be certain that in the religion of love, there are no believers and unbelievers. Love embraces all. Silence is the language of God, all else is poor translation. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Sit, be still and listen. Patience is the key to joy. Set your life on fire, seek those who fan your flames. I know you are tired, but come, this is the way. Grace comes to forgive and then forgive again. Become the sky, take an axe to the prison wall, escape. Let yourself become living poetry. Be soulful, be kind, be in love. Be an empty page untouched by words. The wealth within you, your essence, is your kingdom. To praise the sun is to praise your own eyes. Respond to every call that excites your spirit. Wherever you stand, be the soul of that place. You were born with wings, why prefer to crawl through life? Half-heartedness doesn't reach into majesty. Look at the moon in the sky, not the one in the lake. What is planted in each person's soul will sprout. The source of now is here. Patience with small details makes perfect a large work like the universe. Let us carve gems out of our stony hearts and let them light our path to love. Seek the wisdom that will untie your knot. Seek the path that demands your whole being. Whoever has hearts, doors wide open, could see the sun itself in every atom. The message behind the words is the voice of the heart. You are not one, you are 1,000. Just light your lantern. Work, keeping digging your well. Water is there somewhere. With every breath, I plant the seed of devotion. I am a farmer of the heart. Everyone has been made for some particular work, and the desire for the work has been put in every heart. Achieve some perfection yourself so that you may not fall into sorrow by seeing the perfection in others. Love sometimes wants to do us a great favor, hold us upside down and shake all the nonsense out. Beauty surrounds us, but usually we need to be walking in a garden to know it. I lost my hat while gazing at the moon, and then I lost my mind. Gratitude is the wine for the soul. Go on, get drunk. Either give me more wine or leave me alone. Lovers have heartaches that can't be cured by drugs or sleep or games, but only by seeing their beloved. Conventional opinion is the ruin of our souls. Whatever purifies you is the right path. I will not try to define it. Let's go of your mind and then be mindful. Close your ears and listen. The word is a mountain in which your words are echoed back to you. All your anxiety is because of your desire for harmony. Seek disharmony, then you will gain peace. Anything which is more than our necessity is poison. It may be power, wealth, hunger, ego, greed, laziness, love, ambition, hate, or anything. Poetry can be dangerous, especially beautiful poetry, because it gives the illusion of having had the experience without actually going through it.